Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to change your TikTok profile picture on Android. First, open the TikTok app from your home screen or app drawer. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Following that, tap on Edit Profile below your username and bio section. Now, you'll see your current profile picture at the top. Tap on Change Photo or the profile picture itself. Moving forward, TikTok will give you two options. You can either take a photo using your camera or choose from Gallery to select an existing image. Afterwards, select the option that works best for you. If you're choosing from your gallery, browse through your photos and tap on the image you want. In addition to that, you can adjust the crop and positioning of your photo by pinching to zoom or dragging the image around. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, tap Done or Save in the top right corner. Subsequently, your new profile picture will be uploaded and visible to all your followers immediately. Moreover, you can change your profile picture as many times as you want by repeating these same steps. And that's it. Changing your TikTok profile picture keeps your account fresh and helps you express your personality on the platform. Let me know in the comments what type of profile picture you prefer.